Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, traders and investors. Alex from MarketWise Asia. Thank you for watching this live stream both on YouTube and also on Facebook. Okay, before I kickstart, just want to say a good night to my girl first. Good night, Jenny. Go and sleep first, okay? All right, so let's kickstart this session right now. Okay, if you can hear me loud and clear, please say a hi to me in the comments or in the chat, okay? All right, on YouTube chat, okay? Say hi to me. I won't bite. I have already seen some people who already say hi to me. Hello, Wei Lun. So I saw Wei Lun at the Market Insights conference as well, okay? Dave, William, Melvin also at the Market Insights conference on a Saturday. Pei Wen, Tarun, okay, I saw you, okay, and you also won the book, right? Fantastic, okay, Tarun, Ben, Pei Wen, Meng Heng, Melvin got a question for me. Okay. Dominic, okay. I can see a lot more YouTube channel. You guys prefer to watch me on YouTube, is it okay? All right, so let's wait for some people to stream in first. Okay, the night is still young. Today it is the 22nd of April, as usual, a Monday evening at 10:30 p.m. Okay, let's wait for some more people to stream in. Okay, all right. Mei Heng say thanks for organizing the conference. Okay, it's just a quick show of hand for those who are here right now. How many of you attended the Market Insights conference last weekend, Saturday, meaning like 2 days ago? If you attended, just type me in the comments. Okay. Where must Nasdaq to pick your interest to long? Hey, Melvin, okay, I actually sent out the SV video Yeah, you should be able to watch it now. In fact, I'm quite interested to go long right now. Okay, all right, I'll share with you my updates later Hello, Param Savaran. Okay, brownies. All right. Hey, okay. Lian Ling. Okay, do you say hi to me or not? How come I didn't really see some of you hi, okay, fantastic, okay, Eddie, okay, Kelvin, and I very happy to see some of you guys who actually approached me at the event, okay. I'm very happy to see some of you guys over there. Okay, fantastic. All right, so let me just share my screen right now. Let me do this. Okay, all right, so disclaimer first. Whatever I share today is just for education purpose, not a recommendation to tell you what to buy or what to sell. So please do your own due diligence. So as usual, these are my social media channel, Telegram, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. Please follow, like, and subscribe every single one of them. Okay, if you could, okay, I'll post the link in the comments right now. All right. Okay. Long Sumun, okay, Edwin, Alvin, all right, good to see you. And this is the Market Insights Conference, right? So as usual, thank you so much, awesome crowd. So for those who didn't come, or you are in Malaysia or overseas, you wish to come, but you can't come, okay, because it's Singapore, but nevertheless, it's just to share with you some of the photo over here. If you haven't actually subscribed or like our Facebook page, head over to MarketWise Asia, okay, Facebook, and this is the photos, okay. So last 2 days ago, you can see that this is actually a full crowd, okay. So Colin, Jaytun, Bini Ong, and also Marcus Wong from City Index. Okay, and there's as mentioned, right, there aren't hard selling, no sales pitch, or provided good information, good updates, okay, good insights, okay, all right, good outlook of the market. These are some of the photos over there. You can see it's full house, and of course, you guys get some goodie bag as well, right? Okay, fantastic gift, right? And okay, I'm quite happy to see that in fact the SVI member won the some of the prize last. I see at the end of the event there are some prizes to be won, right? In fact, the winner, the one who won the St. Michael, not St. Michael, as in the Michael Hotel, okay, at Sentosa, the staycation is actually an SVI Seasonal Vantage Insiders. Okay, so let's kickstart this session right now. Hadley, Marvin said I won a book. Fantastic. Okay, all right. So these are the seasonal vantage. I won't go through. So let's go over to the economic data for this week first. This is the Forex Factory. Okay, so as usual, you need to understand what is going to happen, the economic data for this coming week, okay, until the Friday. So quite a number of them for this week, okay. In fact, after today, tomorrow, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, there are quite a number of data. So this is the PMI data tomorrow evening at 9:45 p.m. Thursday, unemployment claim, okay, advanced, okay, GDP, okay, not the actual one, but you know, roughly know what is the GDP QQ, okay, quarter on quarter. And then on Friday, there is this PCE price index and also the consumer sentiment. But all in all, I personally, I don't think all this will move the market that much lah. Okay, at the end of the day, I think the market mover, it is still going to be the Fed power chairman, okay, when the Fed announced the interest rate and all this lah, okay, but not now. I think we are still some day away from the interest rate hike announcement or that kind of thing, okay, not so fast. If you want to know, this is the I suddenly forget I forget the link already. Never mind, it's okay, never mind. So later I'll share with you guys again. So okay, before we kickstart this session, okay, this is the some of the things that I'm going to go through, some data I'm going to go through with you before I go into the key indices. Okay, before I go into the key indices and revisit the election year seasonal chart and market internals and all this, I've already written what I'm going to go through later already. Okay, so all right, so you can see for this coming, not so this coming week, for the past 1 or 2 weeks, right? Personally, I have already mentioned that, you know, I am looking for the market to come down, especially, okay, especially last Monday, Facebook Live, right? I mentioned that, okay, for the S&P 500 cash index, okay, the absolute gamma level 5,000, it is an important level, and not pending, as in we are approaching the OPEX options expiry. Okay, I think I say that, you know, there's a very likely chance that the price, the 5,000 level will be acting as a magnet, okay, magnet to the 5,000 level. So on Monday, okay, it is over here at price, in fact, went down a lot, okay. So indeed, price actually go down, okay, to the 5,000 level. And of course, we close below the 5,000 level, okay. Just a quick show of hand, right? Okay, for those who have been following me, okay, am I right to say that for the past 2 weeks, okay, or at least 1 week or so, I have been bearish on the market, okay, short term now, okay, short term. I say that market, there's a likelihood that the market will come, especially for those SVI members, okay. If you can remember and all this, right, just type number 1 in the comments. Not in hindsight, okay, I already 2 weeks ago, I started to get a little bit bearish on the market, okay, not long term, but I think that a correction, okay, it is bound to come. All right, so this is thank you so much. All right, so this is yes, okay, you can see quite a number of 1 over there. All right, so so today, okay, because after the OPEX, the options dealer, okay, do not have anything to hedge, at least for a short period of time. Okay, the market is free. The market is free to do whatever it wants. So I believe, okay, because when the market is at a negative gamma, okay, meaning, okay, previously I said that it's at about 5,001 level, right? So when price is below the 5,001 level, we are at a negative gamma, okay, which the options dealer are doing. There's a higher possibility that the market is going to be more volatile. And if the market continue to come down, okay, the market dealers, okay, need to sell to hedge more. The market kept coming down, the dealers need to hedge even more to the market. Sorry, if the market came down, okay, the options dealer need to sell even more of the underlying, okay, to hedge their position until the options expiry. All right. So Chance asking whether there's a recording. No, this is purely 100% face-to-face. Okay, we didn't do any recording. Okay, but there will be post-event booster webinar by Bini and also by Jtun. So by right, those who attended the event will actually receive an email from me by tomorrow or the day after. But I should be able to send out to the whole list lah, okay, to share with you guys some of the additional content by Bini and by Jay also. All right, so this is the level. Okay, so just some data first. Okay, what happens? Okay, to the S&P 500 right now? It is not abnormal. The SPX S&P 500 right performance after big starts to previous election year weakness isn't abnormal now. So what do I mean by that? So this is the research, okay, from Carson research over there. So okay, after big starts to previous election, so I think their data, it is when it is the election year. Okay, there is more than, I think cannot, my photo is blocking, my video is blocking, but never mind. I can see over there 5%. When the first quarter, I can't read it right here. Never mind. When the first quarter is more than 5%. Okay, typically what's going to happen? Okay, after that, based on the history, okay, more than 5% and election year. Okay, more than 5% returns in the first quarter and during election year, right? So this is typically the orange line is the historical data, and the the blue line is what is currently happening now. So you can see the blue line over there, the market actually started to correct. And based on historical data, okay, the market, could potentially, okay, not 100%, potentially chop until somewhere around June before the market rally, okay, to end of the year, okay, and of course in November it is the election, okay, starting the election between Biden and some other president and some other potential president, could be Trump, it could be within Trump and Biden. So this is potentially chop until June. All right. So later I'll share with you the seasonal data as well. All right. And then and typically what happens to the S&P 500, okay, after the 5-month winning streak ends, and what happened next. So if you actually look at some of the data, not data, like in sentiment on Twitter, suddenly the people on Twitter become like, wow, suddenly very bearish. Just a few weeks, not few weeks, just 2 weeks of drop, they suddenly become very bearish. Okay, they suddenly become bearish. Okay, all right. So this is the, let me try to share with you this. Okay, 5-month winning streak, 5-month winning streak. Okay, all right. So 5-month winning streak. PLE, okay, those didn't manage to attend, is it possible to get a summary of their sharing? As I mentioned, right, okay, J2 and Bini is going to continue, okay, what they left out, okay, during the session, and they'll recap some of the things they mentioned during the face-to-face session. So I will send out the email most likely by tomorrow or the day after, okay. BD one is on the 24th and J1 is on the 25th of April. Even if you can't attend, you should register, because there will be a replay, because this is a webinar, easier for us to do a replay. Okay. All right. So 1 month, okay, after a 5-month winning streak, okay, then there's a 1 month negative return. Okay. Then suddenly a lot of people become very bearish. Okay. But okay, based on historical data, can you see that 1 month later, okay, 100% of the time, okay, the market, can see 100% of the time, the market ended higher as well. The market ended higher as well. Okay, even if you don't talk about 1 month later, 6 months later, okay, right, the market also ended higher 70% of the time. So there's a very good chance that the market can continue to go higher, okay, towards the end of the year. But meanwhile, okay, it is pretty normal that the market can continue to have a correction. All right. So again, I want to put things into context over here. Okay, I go to a naked chart over here. All right. Since November, okay, all right, the market has been all the way up, like one way straight line all the way up. I don't want to talk about percentage. I don't talk about percentage. Okay, I don't even want to mention about percentage. I don't even want to talk about percentage. How far you drop. Just use your eyes visually and see. It is a one straight line up or not? Yes, right? It is one straight line up. Even if the market is going to drop until here, okay, here. Let's say from here to here is 50%, okay? 50% until about 4,006 level S&P 500 cash index. It is still an uptrend to me. You get what I'm trying to say or not? If you understand what I'm trying to say, okay, just type letter Y in the comments. Just type letter Y in the comments. Just use visually, okay? Just look at the chart. Don't think about numbers. Don't think about percentage, okay? All the way up, all the way up. Is it normal even to a 50% correction? Just use a simple Fibonacci, okay, without any data, okay, from the lowest to the highest. Oops, not this one. Fibonacci, it is over here, okay? All right, 50% there, 50% there, okay? Count 50%, 50% correction, it is pretty normal also. All right, for those who are into technical trading, 50%, 50% retracement, it is pretty normal also, okay? It is not a kind of a crash, because the market has been really rallying up for too fiercely up already. So don't be afraid of a correction, okay? In order for the market to continue to go higher, right, the market need a good correction so that they have good leg to have another rally up. All right, okay, so don't be afraid, okay? But anyway, the key issue is whether how to spot opportunity within this downtrend. It is not that easy to spot the turning point. So we need to look at some other things like market breadth, market internals, some discretionary views and such, or even some of the options flow to determine what is a potential turning point of the market. Okay, all right. So I will go into the key indices, okay, level in the indices right now. Okay, so right now, I believe I should be able to end the session by less than an hour lah. Okay, I think a lot of time. Okay, Bini, talk about the S&P and gold ratio, and J-Tune talk about the what else? What are some of the sectors? Okay, they are a lot of things mentioned. So we have a good view of what could be happening at the end of the year, until the end of the year. Colin Sell also talk about that. Marcus also talk about gold as well. So right now, I'll talk about a little bit of the shorter term right now. So this is the key level in the indices. Okay. So previously, okay, I mentioned that the zero gamma was at about 5,001 level, right? 5,001 level, right? So, or 5,150, that kind of level, I forgot already, but it was higher. But just to let you know, okay, the zero gamma level now have shifted to 5,090 or there about 5,001. Okay, sorry, I think it was about 5,002 higher previously. Okay, now it has become 5,090. This level, okay, will change accordingly. All right, based on daily, I mean, depending on what is the options flow. So again, for those who are new to MarketWise Asia or new to Alex here, okay, you can go to Spot Gamma over here. Okay, go to the free resources. I'll post the link in the comments later. Okay, this is under the free tool, under the free Gamma exposure chart. All right. So you can see that the level, all right, it is at about here. Can you see over here? This between the low volatility and high volatility, okay, over here, okay, it is about 5,001 or 5,090 to be exact, okay, 5090, there about, okay, 5,090, all right. So again, I mean, for those who are new or don't understand, I keep repeating, I think for the past how many weeks, it doesn't matter, okay. Just understand that above 5,001, it is relatively low volatility, more favorable to go long based on the options dealer hedging. Okay, below 5,001, okay, there could be more volatility to go. Okay, all right. So maybe you can type in 5,090 to entertain me a bit. 5,090. All right, can 5,090 5090. Okay, well, I'll take a sip of water first. Okay, for you guys to respond. So right now we have about 200 plus people combining from YouTube and also on Facebook. So if you find value in this Facebook Live and YouTube live stream, right, please give me a like, share, or comments. Liking is free. And if you're on YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right now, it just takes less than a second only. Less than a second only. Give me a like, share, and comment. If you're on Facebook, give me a like also. It also tells Facebook and YouTube that you want to see more of our content in the future. It also takes less than a second only. Okay, let's continue. So the absolute gamma, right, it is still at about 5,000 level. 5,000 level. There are certain level at the lower end. Okay, so let me take a look. Let me try to see the gamma level. You just hold on for a minute. Okay, the another important level, it is actually 4950. Okay, another important gamma level 4950. Again, for those who don't understand, doesn't matter, just treat it as an important level. This is based on the cash index. All right, so if I go to the S&P 500 futures, if I add in my usual indicator, okay, you can see that this is the S&P 500 futures. You can see that, we are generally, okay, still above the cloud, and right now we are at the cloud support right now, also at the pivot point S3 level support, at the S3 level support, at the S3 level support right now. Potentially, okay, the market, I think my view is that, okay, within the next 1 week or so, the market could bounce. Okay, later I'll share a view. All right, so I also want to revisit to you, okay, the S&P election year seasonal chart for the past 50 years. I think oops, not this one. It is over here. Let me try to find where is it. Just give me less than a minute. Let me try to find the data. I kept it in somewhere else. Okay, so earlier, I think late March or so, okay, I actually mentioned that this is the S&P 500 over the past 13 election year cycles over the past 50 years. So I realized that actually the S&P followed this trajectory pretty well. You can see that, initially January to February, the market had kept going higher. And after that, there was a turning point, the market go down a little bit lower and such. Okay, again, I actually mentioned that to the SVI today. Again, I just to recap, okay, all this, don't treat it as a magnitude on like the market going to crash a lot lower, that kind of thing. Okay, don't treat this as a magnitude on how high or low the market could go. Okay, use all this high and low as the turning point. Okay, so I think early April, I said that, hey, there's a potentially that the market might have some correction at the start of April. So this is how I use the season data. Again, this is not a sure win. Just treat it as a roadmap and plus some of the other market internals that we are looking at. And true enough, actually the market actually came down. All right. And right now we are somewhere around here. Okay, we are somewhere around here. 3/4 into April, we are at this turning point over there. As I mentioned, there is a possibility the market could have a technical rebound. Okay, until somewhere towards the end of April or so. Okay, before my view, the market could have another leg down correction, maybe until end of May, somewhere at the near June, then the market can continue to go higher. Okay, this is my personal view of that. Okay, again, treat this just as a turning point. So for example, over there, can you see that over there, previously mid-March, it's at a low over here. This could be at a turning point. So can you see that mid-March is 15th of March, right? 15th of March, it is over here. You see over there, 15th of March. Okay, after that, there is some slight pullback. Again, as I mentioned, don't treat it as a magnitude on how low or how high the indices can go. Treat it as a turning point. Okay, potential turning point. After that, after that, the market can go higher. Okay, and then come down again. Okay, clear so far? So this is just my personal view over there. And okay, I want to add in certain thing. Okay, and okay, why I think the market could be right for a short rebound over here, it is because of some of the market internals. Okay, for the SVI, I mentioned another internal that I look at. Okay, I won't mention this to the public. Okay, so this is the one that I mentioned to the public is this McClellan oscillator. So this is the one that I mentioned before from this stock chart, DP chart gallery, decision point chart gallery over there. So for those who are new to me or MarketWise Asia, okay, you can bookmark this link over there. So this site, okay, at one glance, you can see the trend, the condition, the breadth, the sentiment of the market, okay? So based on the McClellan oscillator over there, over here, right, over here, it is over here, okay? So the McClellan oscillator, it is based on the advances and decliners, number of stocks who advances, number of stocks who decline, okay? Then some formula and such way they do this oscillator. You can see that for the past 3 years, okay, other than the market bottom in October 2022, which is coincide with the really the market bottom of the bear market, okay, that was the lowest, okay. Other than that, this is the second time, this is the lowest for the past 3 years, second lowest. You can see that every time the market is at a relatively low, okay, the market, you know, tends to rebound, okay, rebound, okay, over there, rebound, okay, over there, okay, and then a rebound over there, okay, and then previously what this over here it is also a rebound over there. Can you see or not? This is the McClellan oscillator. So right now we are also at a low right now, okay. Again, this doesn't mean that the market is going to rebound 100%, but potentially could signal a short-term rebound. Again, how high the rebound can go, nobody knows lah. Okay, don't say that Alex said that, hey, this is going to be a reversal. The market is going to chong until 6,000 level now right now. No, I am not saying that. I repeat, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that this could be potentially a turning point. Okay, the market could have some potential technical rebound or so. All right, and my time frame for the rebound maybe it's about one week or so before the market could potentially could have another leg down. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say or not? Okay, in case you guys misunderstood me again, if you understand, just type yes. Okay, my time frame, the rebound is about 1 week. My view is that there could be another leg down. Okay, but before that, the market is grossly oversold, so could have some potential rebound. So again, the seasonal trend of this, I'm following this as a roadmap. Again, this doesn't mean that it is going to be 100% correct, but you know, we still need to watch the price action day by day also. Okay, all right. And I also want to share with you, I just saw on Twitter also, this is just also another market internal, new high, new low. I think some of you should have heard of this or what, new high, new low, that kind of market breadth or market internals kind of thing. So I happen to see this on Twitter also. So this is the 1 month low, new low. So you can see that while the market continue to head down lower, lower, right? Okay. If the market it is really very bearish, right? Okay, the number of stocks at new low should, you know, keep going higher, right? Because the market is very bearish, right now. The number of stocks who keep going lower should be higher on these bars over here. You guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? But instead, there is a divergence. You can see that, you know, the percentage at 1 month low for the S&P 500 index, it is getting, you know, lower. There's lesser stock making new low. In essence, that there is lesser stock making new low. For the R2K Russell 2000 1 month low, there is lesser stock making new low. Okay, this is the New York Stock Exchange. There is lesser stock making new low. All right, and then there's a 1 month low. There's I think it's pretty similar. There's lesser stock making new low. Do you understand what I'm trying to say on this new low thing? If you understand, just type NL again. Sorry to make you type again. This is the only way I can make you, as in to get some feedback from the crowd. New low. Do you understand about this or not? Understand the concept about new low. If you understand, just type NL, new low, in the comments. Okay. All right. So I repeat, the market kept going down. So if the market keep going down and if the market is really, really bearish, okay, the number of stocks who are going to make new low should going higher, but instead it did not. Okay. So there are lesser stocks making new low. So there is a divergence. Okay. Technically, short-term time frame, it is saying so lah. So again, okay, I just want to share with you, okay, how actually you can replicate this chart on your own. Okay, you can also do it on your own also. All right, it actually is very simple. You just need to know where to get the data only. Okay, I will show you. Okay, again, not many people actually will show this kind of thing. Okay, you can see that Alex from MarketWise, okay, really provide value and really, really want to teach you how to read the correct things and do the correct things. Okay, all right, so you can go to this barchart.com. All right, barchart.com. So no need to register account. Okay, just go for the main page. Okay, under the stocks over there. Okay, under the stocks over there, you can see there is a new high and new low. Okay, new high and new low. So you just click on the new high and new low there. Okay, so you can see that all the US exchanges 52 weeks new high, new low. Okay, so these are the one that I am not interested. Okay, here not interested, high, low, not interested. You head over to the summary here. Head over to the summary here. Okay, a bit hidden. Okay, then you can see that there is this 1 month high, 1 month low, 3 month high, 3 month low, and blah blah blah. You can go and read it yourself lah. All right, and you can see that this is the overall New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, ACRA ETF. So I think the overall is good enough. So this one, just not want to share. How come suddenly the ticker disappeared? Let me try to see. How come the ticker disappeared? I still am not very confident, but suddenly now it disappeared. Let me see. 不见了. How come? Normally I thought I scroll there should be able to see one. Let me try to do something later. Is it this one? Just give me a moment. I'll try to figure out. Just now I saw it one. Actually, I saved it over there. Okay, never mind. I think I saved it over there. Okay, so this is where actually you get the data over there. So okay, so it is actually over here. I think thanks God I actually saved it over here. So this is a 1 month new high, new low over there. Okay, let me try to see the ticker here. Okay. So the ticker symbol, it is actually M1LX. Okay, M1LX. M1LX is actually the, if you search M1LX. Okay, 1 month low overall. This is the 1 month low. 1 month low. Okay, which is essentially over here, the 1 month low overall here. Okay, so can everyone just type M1LX so you know where to key in into this trading view. M1LX. Okay, all right, and M1HX. So M1LX. Okay, let me just try to save it first in case I forgot the ticker. And M1HX. Okay, so M1LX, now I'll just remove every single thing over there. So this is the S&P, right? Okay, so you just go to M1LX. Not this one. So you add in over there, okay? M1LX. So you go to the ticker symbol at the top over there, just add, okay? Find the symbol M1LX. All right, so this is a 1 month low. You go into the new pane. So you drop below over there. So you say, hey, how come the line is over here? It is actually lines and not the columns or the bar chart. So you need to make some adjustment. So you head over to the settings, this gearbox icon, okay? And then you head over to style under columns, and you by default show you some of the red, green. So personally, I find that 1 month low, okay, we are looking for opportunity, okay, to go long. So maybe you can just stick to green. It'll be easier for you to understand. Okay, so stick to green, okay, and then click OK. And then this is the 1 month low. So the 1 month low, so can you see over there? All right, 1 month low. While the market continue to go down lower, the 1 month low, okay, is actually going lower. So which means that there is lesser stocks going 1 month low. Okay, there are lesser stock making new low, which is essentially the same as this. Okay, similar to this NYSE, similar to this NYSE. Can you see over here? Very similar to this 1 month low over there. So this is actually how you do this. So the reverse for 1 month high, it is actually M1HX. So I don't want to go through that again. So actually, if you go and check it out yourself, all right, so you can see that when the market actually bottomed out in October last year, okay, can you see that the market is making a new low, or the market is making a new low over there, okay, there is also actually some divergence really, okay, making new low, okay, there are lesser stocks making new low. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. Technically, by right, if the market is really, really bearish while the market it is making new low, right? Okay, there should be a lot more stocks making lower low, right? It should be something like that, but it did not. Okay, there are lesser stocks making new low. Okay, so can you see over there from here to here? Okay, it's making new low for at this point in time. You don't know market or not. You don't know here until here is over here. Can you see that there are more stocks making lower low? Okay, all clear so far. This is how you replicate this thing, okay, on trading view using this data from bar chart. Okay, am I sharing something useful to you? Okay, something useful to you, value to you. Okay, just type V in the comment value. Are you learning something new over there? Okay. So I covered this market internals. Okay. Market new low, new high. This is how you duplicate that. Okay. So this is from here. Let me try to remove that. Okay. Try to so many things already. So what is the market actually doing right now? Let me see. The market, it is actually Dow Jones is positive, S&P slightly positive, Nasdaq slightly negative. But all in all, okay, I have no idea how the market is going to do. Okay, it might take a few days or so before the market move out, move down. But personally, okay, I am more in favor to go long. And also, okay, I just want to share with you the IWM. This is the Russell 2000 ETF, okay. There is a potential star reversal signal also. There is a potential star reversal signal also, okay. All right, so there's a possibility that market could go higher because this is a key indices, okay. There's a chance that other market might follow suit as well. I don't know, okay. This is just my guessing. Okay, I have no idea how the market will work out. Okay, as for those who are in SVI, I have already mentioned to you. Okay, what are some of the stocks? Okay, and indices that I'm looking at. Okay, all right. So you should know what to do. Keep a watch out for them. Okay, and personally, okay, Russell 2000 is something that I'm pretty interested in also. So wait, as usual, wait for the setup and the trigger to go long individual stocks as well. Okay, individual stocks as well. All right. So let me go into this oil and gold. Medium term still bearish below cloud and key level. Yes, medium term until maybe as I mentioned, right, this is the seasonal data that I mentioned just now, right? So my view is that okay, the correction hasn't ended yet. Again, one of the market internals why I believe the market correction has ended yet. Okay, I actually shared to the SBI lah. So I won't share it for the public, but I think this is good enough. Okay, so I think that there could be another leg down, as I mentioned over there. We are somewhere around here. This is a roadmap only. It's not 100%. Okay, I'm not 100% 报价. Okay, so market could have another leg down. This is my personal view. Of course, it might not happen. Okay, it might not happen. Okay, and the market could just, I don't know, the market could just rally like that. I don't know. Okay, or the market could just after come down like that. I don't know. Okay, so we have to trade according to your own plan. Okay, this is my personal view. I could be wrong. Okay, all right. And then talking about oil and gold. Okay, all right. How many of you actually can still remember what I said about oil and gold for the past 2 weeks or so? 1 week or so? Anybody can shout out the answer or not? Anyhow, say I mean that if you remember what I say, anything, just type it out. Okay, for oil and gold, Okay, okay. Let me ask a simple question. Okay, is it favorable for you to trade oil and gold now? Yes or no? Okay, since last week, is it favorable for you to trade oil and gold now? Yes or no? Simple as that. Favorable, just type yes. Not favorable, just type no. Okay, I think Xianglun, okay, go bearish 2 weeks. Okay, no. Okay, yes. Okay, fantastic. Okay, you guys get the idea. So I've been saying that. Okay, let's recap what happened to crude oil. So crude oil, I mentioned that crude oil. I specifically mentioned that crude oil. Okay, I mentioned that I put this I think since 2 weeks ago I said that crude oil right now from mid-April typically until somewhere towards the end of April or start of May, it is not a favorable period to go long. Okay, can you see what happened to gold? Not what happened to oil right now. Okay, June at 15th of November, the oil start to come down, right? Okay, again, this is sometimes knowing what not to trade. It is also very important. Okay, all right. Don't have to always just I want to trade this, I want to buy this, make money, might make a lot of money and all this. Sometimes okay, you minimize doing stupid things. Okay, can also increase your chances of winning as well. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, I can choose not to go long in oil. Okay, you get what I'm trying to say? I already know this is not a favorable period to trade oil already. So I just choose not to trade oil lah. I mean, I said already, the favorable, very easy trade is from here. Okay, market go up so high, then some people want to chase. The moment you chase, and on Twitter, some people, crude oil could be going higher and all this, then they start to go long. They go long right at the exact top. The moment they go right long at the exact top, the market come down a little bit or choppy. Okay, as I mentioned already, I have no idea whether the market is going to go down like that or could be ranging like that. But I know, okay, the favorable date to go long in oil is somewhere around the end of April or start of May. Okay, so until then, maybe somewhere around here, this period, then I start to look for opportunity to go long again in oil. Again, this is not a course how to enter into a setup, how to trade oil and oil swap price to enter. I don't know. Okay, we have to wait until price is there, end of April or early May, to see what is the crude oil price doing, see whether there's any setup, see there's any trigger. Okay, then you enter into crude oil. Okay, so right now it's not a favorable period, so I won't be touching crude oil for now. Okay, same for gold as well. So gold, previously I mentioned already. Okay, 15th of April, mid of April, that previously I said that, okay, it is not the best time to trade gold already. Again, I mentioned that, okay, the best time to trade gold is from here to here. Okay, if you miss that, okay, don't chase already. Okay, here you don't long, 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 until here, then you tell me freaking hell you want to go long crude oil. Is it 头脑派 or not? Okay, TMP. Again, I have no idea how gold is going to do, but I know that somewhere around here, it is not going to be a favorable period. Again, gold, I don't know. Gold could go like that. I don't know. perfectly fine for me. I will just skip that trade lah. I mean, I just means it is perfectly fine one. It is perfectly fine one. Okay, but based on seasonal data, there's a good chance that gold could chop. Not the best time to trade or what lah. Okay, it might not come down. Overall, gold is still in an uptrend. But I say it is not the most favorable time to trade. And based on seasonal data, actually, gold actually is coming down until somewhere July 1, somewhere around July. Okay. Again, I don't know how the price is going to work out. Okay. So once again, a hack. Okay, you can just search for gold equity clock. Okay, and just search. Okay, you can see that gold until from April around here until July, it is actually coming down one. Okay, not the most favorable time to trade gold until maybe somewhere until end of June, end of July. Sorry, end of June, start of July. Then oil gold can start to rally again. Okay, so again, don't chase that. I mean that again, gold could go like that, but I don't know. Okay. But to me, is that I don't chase, not confident one, not favorable one. I just skip. Clear so far? Yes or no? Okay. If you understand, just type yes in the comments. Okay. All right. Clear? So this is my personal view on the market right now. So I've covered already. So Bitcoin, technically for Bitcoin, okay, mid of April after the halving, typically Bitcoin will stand to rally. Okay, but it is a bit more difficult to trade Bitcoin or cryptocurrency right now because I feel that it is going to be correlated with the equities market of now. If the equities market, the stock market might have another leg down, right? Then I believe the Bitcoin wouldn't be spared as well lah. That's my personal view. I don't know. I believe that when it is going to be risk off, okay, all the asset classes they tend to be coming down. Yeah. So I think Bitcoin, I think not so easy to trade right now lah. Okay, not so easy to trade right now. Okay. Yeah. So to me is that not so easy to trade. Okay, can choose to skip it lah. 不用硬要 trade Bitcoin， 硬要 trade gold， 硬要 trade crude oil， 这种东西 trade other things 啦。You get what I'm trying to say or not? Okay, like don't trade what people are, the hot topic right now. Okay, the hottest is that gold is going up. You should trade gold. Crude oil keep going up. I should trade oil. The favorable time is gone now. Okay, all right. So trade what? Trade what? I have already mentioned to my SVI lah. So as I mentioned, I have some of the data. I go through with them. Okay, I don't know whether Cheryl, you are a new MarketWise Asia subscriber or not. Okay, I have this seasonal advantage insiders where I share with people, what are some of the things that is in favor of based on seasonal data. So I really shared to the seasonal advantage insiders. Okay, if you are interested to know, okay, you can head over to this over there. Okay, SVI. All right, seasonal fund insiders, the April to June data, it is already out. Okay. So healthcare rotation, healthcare is not too bad. Healthcare is not too bad. Okay, so healthcare is not too bad. So if you look at the this is actually what Jay mentioned as well at the Market Insights conference. So sorry, let me show you this chart. So candle glance, should be candle glance. Oh yeah, candle glance. So where to see the rotation in one chart link? Okay, this is I actually share this to the seasonal advantage insiders as well. But for the general public, right? Okay, you can roughly know by going to this stock chart candle glance over there. All right, you can see that what is actually stronger right now. Okay, you can see this is the S&P 500, right? It is just going straight down, right? Okay, which is in line with with the discretionary, comms also coming down, tech also coming down. Okay, industrial slightly stronger. Material is not that weak compared to the rest. Okay, energy is the stronger one. Okay, and you can see that energy, it is coming down, but not coming down that much, right? And if you realize that, okay, we are almost nearing towards the end of the month already, which is the end of April, towards the start of May already. Okay, can see that energy is still pretty strong. So, energy is the sector to go to. Okay. Again, look for price action. Look for price action. Okay. Staple, market downturn is pretty strong. Okay. Health right now, okay, you can see that, okay, it is coming down, but health seems like it is actually bottoming out. So it's relatively stronger. It is not strong, I say that. Absolutely, it is not strong, but relatively stronger than the other sectors like the discretionary comms, tech, okay, and such. Relatively stronger. It is still weak right now, but relatively stronger. Utility is strong. Okay. Financial is pretty strong. Okay. Financial pretty strong. If you actually look at some of the chart, some of the like regional banks and all these, financial, it is actually pretty strong. Okay. Okay. And then XLRE. All right. So also relatively stronger. Okay, compared to the tech. Okay. Your seasonal budget is sounding more and more like Alex Facebook Live Pro. Can I pay for Alex Facebook Live without seasonal data? Cannot lah, okay. But anyway, not forcing you lah. I mean that, to be honest, I really believe it is not expensive lah, okay. Some people are willing to pay 3,000, 4,000 for that kind of course, okay. Yeah, I mean that I believe my data is pretty useful as well lah. Okay, yeah. So I have already provided a lot of value for the free YouTube live as well already, for the YouTube live already. So, more insider things, I will give it to the SVI members. You can see that, learn a lot. Jonathan Chan, worth it. Fantastic. 100% worth it. Okay, learn a lot of much better to his SVI subscriber. You guys know, right? Okay, those market internals that I never shared to the public, it is pretty useful. So I'll just keep it to use, guys. So, yeah, just use it lah. Okay, just use it. Any question? Okay, anyway, this is not a session about SVI lah. Anyway, okay, any questions so far? Any questions so far? Is the offer still on? Yes, the SVI, as I mentioned already, so there is still offer. Okay, you can use the coupon code SV149. Usual price is 179, 17% off 149 every 3 months. Okay, until you cancel. Okay, you keep it at that. Again, you can cancel anytime. I'm not forcing you to subscribe. Okay, nor is it very difficult for you to cancel. You can go to the member site and cancel. All right. Okay, got few potential counters to trade from Alex. Okay, fantastic. Okay, any question before I end the session? While I also take a look at the market right now. Okay, market is starting to reverse as of now. So I repeat, as of now, I am still looking to long the market for about 1 week. Okay, so swing trade opportunities, swing trade. But if your time frame, for example, is like maybe 2 months, 3 months, or so, I think the market might still come down. If the market could still come down a bit more lah. But meanwhile, I'm looking for opportunity to long. Okay. Ernest. Okay, I'll answer a question. Melvin, I long so fast. Mel long the index already. Okay. Alex, any view on Nvidia? Okay, Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. Actually for Nvidia, the seasonal data actually is bullish for this April. Okay, once again, a quick hack. You do need to subscribe to Seasonal Vantage Insiders. But the problem with that is that you need to know exactly what you want to look for. Then you know what to trade. Okay, but for Nvidia, you can just search for Nvidia, for example, equity clock. Okay, Nvidia. You can see that in April, late April, I think not very clear on that, not very clear. But after that, late April, it tends to go a little bit higher. Okay, it did go higher. Again, the high and low, the turning point is more important than the actual magnitude. So so actually for the SBI, I already told you guys, right, some of these are big cap stocks. Okay, they are in season right now, so keep a watch out for some of these big cap stocks. Okay, so this is for Nvidia. And then AVGO, it is Broadcom. Okay. Broadcom wise, let me take a look at the seasonal data for Broadcom. Let me take a look. AVGO. Just hold on for a minute. Okay, AVGO. Based on seasonal data for AVGO, it is actually not very strong. So actually it is should be potentially could be coming down. Okay, not that strong. And you can see that based on day time frame, it is, you can see that for AVGO has been supported by the CPR central pivot range, CPR very nicely. CPR, okay, hover near CPR. Once it broke, okay, all hell gone loose already. Okay, so and price is going to come down already. And if you look at the 2-day time frame, okay, yeah. So again, there could be some more, potentially could be more some downside to go. Again, I have no position in AVGO. Okay, just treat my opinion with a pinch of salt. Okay, with a pinch of salt. All right. So which brokerage firm you would recommend? Okay, as I mentioned, okay, the market insights conference just finished. Okay, so I mean that market wise Asia, oops, suddenly cannot. Okay, so this market insights conference, okay, the sponsor is actually City Index. So they are a CFD provider. Okay, so they have quite a number of stocks, equities, commodities, indices. Okay, if you're looking at that, City Index could be one of them. Okay, so you can head over to the exclusive promotion tab over there. So they have a promo where you just create your account. Okay, make a one-time deposit of $500 plus one trade, you can get a $50 cash bonus. Okay, or if you don't want, you can just simply open an free account and just try out the demo. So no harm, right? So CFD broker, CFD provider. Okay, so there are quite a number of them now. Okay, so personally, I have no preference as long as MAS regulated. I think is pretty safe. Okay, all right. Whatever it is, City Index, IG, CMC, Mumu, Tiger, all these are fine. All these are fine. All these are fine. No preference. Okay, I'm pretty neutral. Okay, but every single CFD provider or brokerage, they do have their pros and cons. There's no one perfect broker. Okay, all right. Can ask where you think our next level down for Tesla after earnings? Tesla. Okay, Tesla, if I'm not mistaken, okay, the best time to go long in Tesla is actually in May. Okay, in May. Right now, not the best time yet, seasonal data. I forget the date already. In May, okay, for the past 11 years, 100% of the time, within the period of May to certain period of time, okay, it went up positively. Okay, so right now, based on the okay, Tesla, it is definitely coming down, definitely coming down. So potentially, S2 could be the support level. Okay, potentially, but nevertheless, I'm not tell that this is in a downtrend. So maybe about 136 there, about 136 for Tesla, a support level. Okay, whether it will bounce, I don't know. Tesla is in a downtrend now. Okay. Isn't a perfect broker the cheapest one? IBKR has the cheapest commission. No, okay. IBKR is not the perfect broker. Personally, I also have an IBKR account. I also trade using IBKR as well. Plus some of the other broker, I do have quite a few brokers. Okay, IBKR, first of all, they do not provide you live data. Okay, you have to pay for this data. Okay, Tiger broker, even though the commission could be $1 or $2 kind of thing, but they give you live data. CFD provider, they also give you live data. So for IBKR, they are not giving you live data unless you think that live data is not necessary. Then it doesn't matter. And okay, for some of the people out there, IBKR desktop, okay, it is actually not very user friendly. Okay, you might at one glance you might say, hey, I don't know what the hell is this desktop. I don't know how to trade. Okay, it is not intuitive. It's not that intuitive. So definitely not the cheapest is the best. even though I would say that IBK is pretty good, it is good, but as I said, no one perfect broker is, as in no one broker is perfect. Okay, no broker is perfect. All right. Tasty is not too bad. Tasty is more gravitating more towards the options. If you are options trader, okay, they do have quite a number of tools, okay, for the options, trading options, okay. I also have Tasty account where I have more of some of the position trading, okay, on Tasty as well, okay, where I just put it there and don't touch. Yeah, I do have Tasty. So different brokers, but Tasty is not regulated by MASR, okay, even though it is brought over by IG already. Yeah. Okay, Ken, any other questions so far? Registration closed. That's right, Christina. Market Insights virtual Market Insight conference is closed already. Okay, it is, you need to go over to the link. Yeah, I think I forget to pass you guys the link. Yeah, pai say. Okay, so this is the link. Sorry about that. Bit.ly City Index /MIC. Yeah, thank you for letting me know. Yeah, miss my mind on that. Okay, so this is the link. Let me just head over there. Okay, Christina over there. Okay, so this is the link. Okay, yeah, you can see it's under market wise, so you can claim a $50 cash bonus and free trading view subscription. Okay, yeah, there's terms and condition. Basically, you need to deposit $500 and place one trade and link to trading view. Then they'll reimburse you the trading view subscription. Okay, but you also get the $50 cash bonus. Okay, Ken, any good time to share a view POC? POC, point of control, you can use it for long term, for short term also can. Okay, but I don't think I have the time right now. Okay, all right. Wow, TP Nasdaq liao. So fast. This was intraday king, is it? Anyway, I think it's more than 1 hour already. I think I don't see a lot of questions. So I believe you guys should learn something from me today lah. So regarding this bar chart where you can get the new high, new low thing, okay, and all this and my view. So my view is that, okay, within the next 1 week or so, I think the market still have some potential for a rebound. So I'm looking for a potential rebound for at least for the next 1 week. Okay, so okay, if you find value in this session today, okay, just type value in the comments. Okay, we learn something new, and by tomorrow or the day after, I will send you regarding the post-conference, okay, webinar by Bini and also by Jtun, okay. If you don't see the email, okay, somehow some of my email get into the junk box. So do check your spam folder. All right, so once again, please give me a like, share, and comments. Okay, liking is free, doesn't cost you money, but it really helped me quite a lot. Okay, I would really appreciate if you can just give me a like and subscribe to my channel and Facebook Live as well. And type value if you find value in the Facebook Live. So with that, I thank you so much for the session today, and I will see you guys again next week. Thank you and bye-bye.